Because the ECU is not part of the starter circuit, it must rely on the speed sensor and a drop in battery voltage to identify when the starter engages and rotates the crankshaft. As soon as the ECU receives a signal from the speed sensor, it grounds the high-pressure fuel pump circuit. The ECU then grounds the injector and ignition coil circuits to provide fuel and spark. Injector time during startup varies based on programming, calculated airflow, and the desired air-fuel ratio. A warm restart happens so quickly that the entire start process cannot be seen at normal video speed.